Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Shoutout Saturday. Welcome back to all my returning subscribers and friends. Thanks for inviting me over. If you are new to this channel, my name is Krista, and this channel is all about crochet and crochet related goodness. We do tutorials, Match It Monday, Tip Tuesday, Whip Wednesday, Thrifty Thursday, waiting for a free Thursday to start that one, and what is it, Finished Object Friday, and Any Subject Sunday. So a ton of stuff going on. Super excited about it. If any of those things are of interest to you, consider hitting the subscribe button down below and the notification bell beside that. Love to have you join us. So this video is all about shouting out other content creators on YouTube in the crochet niche, in the crochet world, just to give everybody a little boost up, some recognition for the hard work it is to be a content creator on YouTube, and just to say thank you for being you. So the first person that I want to say thank you to is Rosina from Zines and Rogers. If you haven't checked out her channel, totally go and check her out. She's in the UK and she's basically super fabulous and like well published. She's kind of like the creative grandma of England. I mean, I'm just saying, she's published everywhere and she's great. Plus, she's actually a lovely human being, which it's hard to think people are actually lovely human beings when they're so well established in their careers, but she's super fabulous. I love her. She was actually the first podcast that I ever watched in crochet, and I was like, if she can do it, maybe I could do it. I don't know. She totally inspired me. So thank you, Rosina. And glasses. This is what she has said to my questioner. Her channel name is Zines and Roger. I'll put a link for it in the description box below. And her name is Rosina, which I already told you. Her general location is Devon in the UK. She started her channel 2.5 years ago, and she's uploaded 80 videos. Her general topic is crochet chat and tutorials. She tries to upload once every 2 weeks, sometimes more, sometimes less. And her goal for her channel is to keep going. Yes, Rosina, do it. Her favorite motto, she doesn't have one, but I'm sure she will. And her favorite yarn to work with is all of them. Right? Yarn is fabulous. Yarn is life. The strangest thing she crocheted, she says, I wish I crocheted a penis or something just to give you a good answer, but no, nothing that strange. I totally get you. I wish I was a cool person too, but you and me, Rosina, I guess we're just average. Average crochet projects. We have not branched out into the strange and extraordinary. Well, maybe extraordinary, but not the strange, right? And anything she wants to share, she's very excited that we're heading into autumn. Lots of crochet jumpers to wear and shawls to make. So jumpers means sweater. It's like UK terminology. So she's gonna be making a lot of sweaters or jumpers and shawls. Totally get it. A great time of year for that. Although Kenya, we're getting into summer, so you know it's not so. I'm getting into my summer crochet groove. So that's awesome. So thank you, Rosina, for making the crochet world a little more yarnier and for all the work you put into inspiring us and keeping everyone else going. Thank you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And here, let me see. I'm going to get better at it. Mwah. How is that, Zelda? Not bad? Terrible? I'm going to keep trying. So thanks, Rosina. The next, let me put this on the side. The next channel I want to shout out to is my dear friend, Carrie Penny. Her channel name is Happy Crafty Homemaker. And her name is Carrie Penny. She is from southeastern US. And she started her channel late August 2018, so a bit over a year ago. She's uploaded 80 videos also. Is that the same as Rosina? Yes? Excellent. Her general topic is reviews, projects, life in 2019. I will start a segment that is homemaker related once a month, and I'll discuss menu planning, cleaning, routines, tips and tricks to streamline. That's cool. So like homemaking plus crochet. What? That's great. It's always good to like put your own twist on it. So I love that Carrie is doing that. She uploads twice a week normally. And her goal for her channel is she would love to start doing more designing and pattern walkthrough videos. That's a good idea also. Her favorite motto, we have all made that mistake at least once. Yes, we have, right? Nobody's perfect, and we've all been there. So I think that's a great motto to have. Her favorite yarn to work with is worsted weight acrylic and wool nylon blend fingering weight. That sounds nice. That sounds fancy. Strangest thing she's crocheted, a toilet. It was a gag gift for a friend's husband. That would be so cute, right? Anything to share? She says, I don't know what to say. No, I get that. So Carrie Penny, I just want to say thank you for starting your channel, for being you, for following your own path, your own journey, and sharing your life with us. I know I'm a big fan, and if you haven't gone to check out her channel, link in description box below, pop over, subscribe, check out what she's up to. She's super happy, super bubbly, and I just love everything about her channel. So go and give her a check out, a thumbs up, a like, a subscribe, and a notification bell. Got you, girl. Last shout out, my girl, Shelly Stewart. Her channel name is Shellys Sassy Stitches. Love you, Shelly. Shelly is an absolute hoot, a riot. She's hilarious. She tells stories. She does cooking stuff. She does crochet stuff. She's literally straight up herself. There's no, there's no air. There's no fancy lipstick. Or she's just like right there with you, hanging out, being herself. She's so real. I love it. I love her channel. So entertaining. Not pretentious in the least. You can just like be like, oh, I'm gonna go hang out with Shelly. Perfect way to end your day or start your day. General location is Bicknell, Indiana. Just moved here from Mountain Home, Idaho. That is a big move. She started her channel in January 2019. General topic is crochet life, yarn, travel, reviews, cooking, and chatting. Well said. How often does she upload? As often as she can. And her goal for her channel is to be more informative and entertaining. You're very entertaining, Shelly. I love your channel. Her favorite motto is be kind to one another. And you can't fix stupid, but that's more for myself than my channel. Right? Yeah, just let it go. Let other people be. Favorite yarn to work with? Not too sure. I do like Feels Like Butter. However, I like Red Heart and many others. It's easier to tell you the ones I don't like, which is so true, right? That's great. And the strangest thing she crocheted is a willy warmer, which I now know what it is thanks to all of you lovely subscribers who told me. So thank you. And anything she wants to share? I'm at times too trusting and too caring. I can see that, Shelly, because you're very honest and you're very real, which means you're not very guarded. So just keep a tougher skin when it comes to, public life. And we love you. So if you haven't checked out her channel, go pop over, link in description box below, give her a like, a thumbs up, a subscribe, and the notification bell. Great to help out these smaller channels that are just starting out and just kind of getting their feet and their bearing. You will find you will either love it or half love it. If you super love it, you'll feel like you have a best friend. So go and totally check out these channels. And thanks so much for inviting me over. Have a super great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked. You think I did it? Did I talk too fast? I felt like I was talking really fast. Sorry if I did.